Calling, oh, hey, oh, yeah, be telling. I body your style, never small thing. Look in your eyes, know you want me.
Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good. So in today's video is sponsored by Lensmart. Lensmart is a sunglass company that offers prescription glasses, fashion glasses, and blue light glasses for all genders, including kids as well. So without me wasting any of your time, but before I go, please make sure you guys do follow me on my Instagram, because I'm kind of like active there, and I'll be showing you guys one of my favorite glasses on my Instagram and how I actually styled the glasses that I'm gonna be showing to you guys. Without me wasting any of your time, let's get straight into today's video. So when you purchase the glasses, you actually get this box, and it looks so nice. As you guys can actually see, it looks so sleek. I love the name of the company on the outside of this box, and inside the box you guys actually get your sunglasses, and they are inside this sunglass holder or sunglass case, as you could say. And inside this box you actually get the pamphlet of the company. It's written Lensmart, as you guys can actually see, and they actually have a Facebook group where you guys can actually join the Facebook group, that you guys can actually talk with other members that have already purchased the glasses as well. And also they also gave me this cute red bracelet. I hope you guys can actually see. They gave me this cute bracelet. It has a heart. I've already worn it, yeah, and I really love it. And you also get this you can clean your glasses with. You guys know the drill already. When you guys purchase new glasses, you guys will always get sunglass cleaners, and it has Lensmart's name printed on. So you guys also get a pamphlet that has directions of how you're supposed to keep your glasses, or how you're supposed to be maintaining your glasses and stuff. This is what you get inside the box of the glasses. This is how the sunglass case looks. It has the name printed on the outside, and inside you find your glasses wrapped in this plastic situation. And this is the first glasses. This is the first glasses that I actually chose. I liked the rhinestones on the outside of this glasses. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how they look. And on the side of these glasses they have Lensmart's name written. I hope you guys can actually see. I really like these glasses, and I feel like these are my favorite glasses that I'm gonna wear. You guys probably see that on Instagram. I'm gonna post a very fire picture for you guys to actually see me wearing these glasses, because I really do like these glasses. And the nicest thing about these glasses, you guys, I like the fact that they don't have those nose pads that they have, because you know, if you're someone that wears makeup a lot, your makeup can sometimes be removed by those nose pad of those glasses. You guys can actually see my ring light at the background. I like how these glasses look.
Tell me what you see.
So let me show you guys the second pair that they sent me. So all the glasses come in this sunglass box, and this sunglass case, or protecting case, as you can say. So the second glasses that they sent me are somehow like this. This is how they look. They're very slick, and they're not doing too much like the first one that I showed you guys. They look very nice. I like how they are on me right now. I feel like a student and I'm off to the library. I want to look cute, or I'm wearing like a very nice outfit. that would go with these glasses. I like the glasses, like they're very simple, they're not doing too much, and I feel like they're also matching with my outfit right now because I have this necklace and this hairband that I'm actually wearing with my braids, so it kinda goes along with how I'm wearing. I like these cute glasses, and the name of the glasses will be on the screen for you guys. The glasses are so sleek and I love how they are.
Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing.
So this is the third pair they sent me. This is how the glasses look. I love the rhinestones from the outside of these glasses, like the bottom of the glasses. They look very nice. So I feel like since I chose the first glasses with the rhinestones, so they had to send me these ones as well, which look so nice. I like how they look, and I love the fact that they're not doing too much as well, and they look very nice. They're not too much, and they kind of like match with my earrings, as you guys can see. They look sleek. They look sleek and not too much.
Difficult. Let go. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes me.
This is another pair they sent. They look like this. I wanted an animal print glasses, and they kind of gave me these brown ones, or maybe I sent them the wrong link, but overall I still like these glasses. They look so sleek, and these are glasses that I'll probably wear when I'm actually editing. And these are blue light glasses, as you guys can see. My ring light is actually showing on the background. You guys can actually wear these glasses if you're someone that watches TV a lot, or you play video games and stuff. And I love the fact that these glasses guys can also do wear them, because they're not doing too much and they're not too girly. So a guy can also do wear these glasses because they're very simple and not doing too much. I think I love the rectangle shape as much as I wanted a different design, but I felt like let me choose a rectangle shape on all these glasses. And overall I'm not mad. I love everything of these glasses, and I feel like all the glasses that I picked are kinda suiting my face, and I feel like they were made for me. So overall I am liking these glasses too, and they kind of match my skin tone as well, as you guys can actually see. So this is the last pair that they sent me, you guys, and I kinda was so surprised about the shape when I actually saw it. And it looks like this. You guys can actually see these are also like blue light glasses. You guys can actually purchase these glasses, because this will protect your eyes from being strained by a computer or too much light, as I mentioned. These glasses are kind of like not my favorite glasses, but I think they kind of like suit me, but I won't purchase glasses like this. And this was a glasses that they actually chose for me. But overall I'm not mad at the glasses. They kind of like matches with my top as well, but overall this is not glasses I'll actually pick when I'm actually buying these glasses for myself. I'm so sorry, but yeah, overall this is how the last glasses look on me. So I had to wear my favorite glasses at the end of this video. So everything from Lensmart, you guys, will be listed down in the description box for you guys, including the name of the glasses. So I'll be doing a giveaway soon. Make sure you guys comment down below and mention what your favorite glasses were in this video, and all the names of the glasses will be in the description box for you guys, just in case you guys want to check Lensmart's website, and my discount code will be also in the description box for you guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Mwah.